Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hey. So you the one who hit car?
Huh?
Well, you left your phone number on my windshield.
No, I did not.
Listen, B, you scratched my fender and busted out my tail. Yes, you did. Who your insurance company, B? Yeah, don't lie to me.
Because I fenced it.
Why'd you leave a note?
What are you talking about?
Lose my patience. Man, what's
Yeah,
wrong
fuck
with
you, man. What are you talking about, man? I'm in fucking Corbin,
I got your
Kentucky.
note right here in my hands.
Listen, why don't you fucking get your phone where to come in, you cheap motherfucking bastard, where I can hear what you're saying, man. And then tell me where you're at, where I can come and tie your goddamn head off and stick it up your fucking ass. How's that, motherfucker? Please call him. Call him back. You still there?